If the management system generates alarm 4201, one incorrect wiring. You can take these actions. Power off the SmartGuard system. Wait for 5 minutes and then begin troubleshooting. Turn off the circuit breakers of the SmartGuard. Keep the bypass circuit breaker off. Connect each cable to the corresponding circuit breaker. Incorrect connection is prohibited. The external wire sequence must be consistent with the phase sequence of the SmartGuard. An incorrect sequence is prohibited. Check the inverter output phase sequence. An incorrect sequence is prohibited. Check that the power cable between the inverter and the SmartGuard is properly connected. Check that the inverter AC input circuit breaker is turned on.